Turkish government held consultations with the British to purchase a new or second-hand aircraft carrier last year. As reported by Middle East Eye, the British side have offered to sell the design of an aircraft carrier and provide technical support during the construction in Turkey. Turkey is already building a light aircraft carrier, TCG Anadolu, whose design was based on Spain's SPS Juan Carlos I and multipurpose amphibious assault ship. TCG Anadolu is expected to be launched this year, with the capability to operate short takeoff and vertical landing aircraft, like the F-35. Since Turkey's removal from the American F-35 program in 2019 over Ankara's acquisition of the Russian-made S-400 air defense system. It isn't clear whether TCG Anadolu would be able to host any warplanes. However, Ankara is adamant about having its own aircraft carrier. Turkish President Recep Tayyip Erdogan has repeatedly stated since last year that Turkey would locally design and build an aircraft carrier. It will carry us into another league, he said last month during a ship launch ceremony. According to the reports, last year, the Turkish government held consultations with the UK to procure a new or second-hand aircraft carrier, but the talks were inconclusive. The Turk inquired to purchase a brand new Queen Elizabeth-class aircraft carrier or a decommissioned one. But British officials denied that request. According to the news, after the consultations with the British government, Turkey has decided to build its own ship instead of purchasing it. A UK Department of International Trade spokesperson neither denied nor confirmed whether said consultations have taken place.